Business passage number 11. Since the beginning of the year, the trade of Bridgetown has been adversely affected by labor troubles and the inability of exporters to maintain their position in the chief centers to which the exports are sent. Full stop. The principal machinery construction firms in the locality were completely closed down for 3 weeks by the engineering strike of last autumn, as a result of which adherence to delivery dates became impossible and many potential buyers took their business elsewhere. Full stop. Political uncertainty has reduced exports to the Middle East, where the main overseas outlets are situated, to a mere trickle. Full stop. It follows, therefore, that unemployment in the district has increased, and that shopkeepers and other local traders have suffered in consequence. Full stop. Nupera, a further contributory cause of the decline in the area is the utilization of the port of Barcia, some 15 miles from here, for the import of smelting ores from Spain and North Africa. Full stop. The diversion of freights from Bridgetown to Barcia is due entirely to the erection of the new plant by the Amalgamated Steel Co. Limited, at Burden, and the dismantling of the old plant as Steel Town. Full stop. The new works are much nearer to Barcia than to Bridgetown, and as a consequence, the company's demands as far as sea transport is concerned are now being met almost entirely by Barcia. Full stop. Needless to say, our branch turnover is considerably lower than at this time last year. Full stop. Small traders' current account balances and turnovers are 40% down, and there has been a large reduction in private deposits. Full stop. Nupera, there are, however, a few encouraging signs. Full stop. The local council are drastically cutting down expenditure by postponing several extravagant schemes so as to reduce the rates, while the War Office have just renewed large contracts locally on revised tenders. Full stop. There are two important factors, and should prove of great assistance in enabling this area to regain its equilibrium. Full stop. Further, I have heard comma, in confidence, comma, that 4 very large orders for steamship material will be placed locally in the immediate future. Full stop. I feel sure, comma, therefore, comma, that for Bristown the worst is over, comma, and that the next 6 months will see an improvement in the business of all departments at this branch. Full stop.